Ugoko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, taigwa ideto. Wamuthende MP wa Bere North. Ukuruhanio na giko kia robbery with violence. Olkalou. Higweno kwari na by election on 16 July 2026. That is last week. Now, kwa tukatiriri, as we speak, already, Wamuthende niyandikirwo demand letter ati thimu iyo icokio thimu muthemba wa iPhone 17 Pro Max icokio within 7 days kana uhoro uyu uproceed igotini. Mundu uria utwarite cira uyu arauga atiriri, Wamuthende ari na andu aria mamuire thimu iyo. So Wamuthende is being accused of aiding kana guteithiriria mundu uyu atunywo thimu ni andu aria mari nake goons thiini wa ngari yake. Nikyo arerwo thimu iyo amirute. A whole MP ashagorirwo juzi andareketie mwaka andikirwo demand letter, so within 7 days thimu iyo icoke. Kende muthomere guys, muni ura kwa thina mbere. It's so unfortunate. In fact, maudu maria turona ni maudu magi magegania. No rikana muthenya ucio kwina thimu cia content creators ciairwo toro uguo tu, kwina thimu camera na electronics ingi ciairwo cia content creators. Na search yako, by the way, kwina thimu imwe cionekanaga cina andu fulani, cina maborithi fulani, kwina thimu cionekanaga cina cikwa andu amwe anene. It's so unfortunate. Cikwa cekikire taigwe ure kwa thina mbere, then negocoka tugie thini wa demand letter muni ure kwa thina mbere. Ladies and gentlemen, standard ule maripoti muthenya wa ira, Bere North MP Wamuthende issued 7-day demand letter for alleged abetting of armed robbery during Olkalou by election. Abetting ni guteithiriria. Victims demands return of iPhone 17 Pro Max and disclosure of officials involved. Nigo standard maripotete demand letter ehuwa no na deda tumithome kiogo afde muthomere paragraph 3 muni wa kwathi na mbere. Ladies and gentlemen, eno demand letter ni kuona ni Mugelo advocate hari iguru makandika ni Honorable Jero Wamuthende, member of parliament, Bere North constituency. Afu kana reference demand for return of stolen property, robbery with violence contrary to section 296(2) of the penal code, Olkalou 16 July 26. OB number 20 OB number na ekadi kwa hau. Guys, tatuigira thini wa riri wa kireno wa demand letter eno mwene uria tuthome paragraph 3 mwene maudu maria Wamuthende is being accused of. Tobi hari iguru on 16th July higo na by election. During Olkalou parliamentary by-election, our client and her companion were accosted in the vicinity of Madhakwa Primary School, Polling Station, Miragini Ward, Olkalou constituency, Nyandarua County, by armed men traveling in convoy of Toyota Prado motor vehicles. You personally disembarked from one of the vehicles and were present throughout the incident that followed. Ati Wamuthende ariho thiini wa maundu maria mekikire tondu ari thiini wa ngari iyo emwe. Kene makauga our client who is personally acquitted with you and identifies you accordingly from direct personal knowledge, inform us that you together with your accompanying hooded and armed security officers held her at gunpoint and forcibly robbed her of her personal property, namely an iPhone 17 Pro Max, in your direct presence. You did not intervene despite praise from our client for your intervention. Client akauga atiriri, kure andu aciothe aria mekire giko giki, mundu uri identified kana mundu uri amenyire thiini wa giko giki ni mundu ugwitwo Wamuthende, na ati airwo mbere wa Wamuthende na gutire giko Wamuthende kire kana kugira andu acio gwika giko kiu. Following the robbery, and again in your presence, the same group of hooded and armed security officers attempted to forcibly bundle our client and her companion into one of the vehicles in convoy. Our client and her companion resisted, and your attempted abduction was unsuccessful. Toro wotu tothi mukoyo aton kwari ni mageretie come abduct. Adoshieri. Okay, be advised that Section 295 of the Penal Code defines robbery as theft property accompanied by the use of threat of actual violence to a person or at all immediately before or after theft. So ugo ne kore go tifata thome go koge no ni mwake igwa. Client yo lauga atiriri ate airwo higo kware Olkalou adu moke na maplado makemaya ido ciao. It was robbery with violence na mundu ria ma identified ne Wamuthende ni ta kumateithiriria andu acio tondu gutire undu ekire onoriku na ati ona clients ya medaga kunyitwo by the andu aya medaga gukome abducted. A whole MP, in fact, by the way, igo kwa ina mundu kure Olkalou kwene tuona kwene circulation cia Wamuthende ne gwetwo muno muthenya ucio ni akoretwo akigwetwo muno thini wa maundu maria mekikire kure Olkalou. Ni ayo demand letter ya 7 days. Kiria goria terere mundu no ke accuse atana evidence ya kuigana eno uko hihi ni mamoire video na video yo igicoka igisave thini wa cloud thini na by the way thimu ya save thini wa cloud agora thimu ege ni akomena from her end. Maybe they have evidence of everything. Matigioka kuga terere Wamuthende ariho oro uguo hihi matane evidence ya kuigana. Maybe they have enough evidence of what happened. So what will happen after 7 days lapse of demand letter no? Remember, higo mundu aregete na bia ciaku ka mundu ena kindu giaku kahigo retia mundu kindu. First, wadika demand letter. Demand letter no ya lapse within 7 days. No the na bere osu mundu cio. So after 7 days, adwa mego su mundu witwo Wamuthende ako atashoketie thimu iyo kana thimu iyo yako itashokete. He will be sued. Todore ya kwa serve 7 days in demand letter. Kana thiko mugajire demand letter elauga. MP magathokia maritwa mao. In fact, ni undu wa thoni ati ona thigari nicio ciaga andu thimu kuria, and some of them maybe they have those phones. It's so unfortunate shikoideshe kikire kuria mwena wa Olkalou. MP being accused or robbery with violence. Imagine a whole MP. I tell you, mundu uyu ndigwiciria ni agacoka ona kuria mbere ndigwiciria ni agacoka. Acagurirwo juzi ndani neta mwaka ni twamuonire kuria Olkalou maundu maria mekikaga ni ritwa riake ni agwetagwo hau. Ndigwiciria kuria mbere ni makamucokia uyu akainukio rucine tene muno together na andu aria angi magathie hamwe othe ni undu wa mitugo ino. Andu atongoria magatumirwo kunyanyasa andu ao, atongoria magatumirwo kuraga andu ao, atongoria magatumirwo kunina andu ao, magateithiriria kunina andu ao, kuraga andu ao. You see, atongoria, it's so shameful, it's so unfortunate. Shiko iria trona na maundu maria trona magithi na mbere. It's so unfortunate, ladies and gentlemen. Ni maundu ma thoni, maundu ma magigi. Anyway, when you wake up, maundu mahuana uwa, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, gamatia mathime. Guys, it is what it is. Kwani, eko, nini. Thank you. God bless you.